Hello everyone, welcome to the Crack You video series. Hope you are doing well with your preparations. Today we are here to discuss static GK questions for TISSNET and CMAT 2022. Please do visit our website crackyou.in and you can download the previous papers. There it would be helpful for your exam. Recently we launched CMAT crash course. It is rupees 1,999. Along with that, we are having CMAT mocks of rupees 299 and we are having TISSNET mocks as well, rupees 299. Link is given in description. Please do visit and enroll for these packages for your better practice. Let's start with the first question. Birhor are the type of tribes from which state of India? The correct answer is C. Jharkhand. Birhor people are a tribal Adivasi forest people. They are traditionally nomadic, living primarily in the Indian state of Jharkhand. Let's check the next question. Lavani is a folk music of which state? The correct answer is D. Maharashtra. Lavani is a combination of traditional song and dance which particularly perform to the beats of dholki. Let's check the next question. Pasi Gonki is folk dance of which state? The correct answer is D. Arunachal Pradesh. Let's check the next question. Which of the following states will you go to enjoy the famous Gaura Gauri Puja that is celebrated every year? The correct answer is A. Chhattisgarh. Let's check the next question. In which state did the Saila dance originate? The dance is performed by boys after the harvest season. The correct answer is B. Chhattisgarh. So the Saila dance is a folk dance and it is performed during the post-harvest season. Saila basically it's a stick dance that is famous among the people of Sarguja, Chhindwara and Baitul district of Chhattisgarh. Let's check the next question. Toshali National Craft Mela is famous in which state, India? The correct answer is C. Odisha. Let's check the next question. Sambalpuri fabric is the famous fabric in which state of India? The correct answer is B. Odisha. It is a traditional weaving which reflect rich variety of textiles. Let's check the next question. Which Veda is associated with medicine? The correct answer is D. Atharva Veda. The Atharva Veda is deemed to be an encyclopedia for medicine. Inter alia and Ayurveda is considered as Upaveda of the Atharva Veda. Let's check the next question. Saga Dawa is the festival of which state? The correct answer is C. Sikkim. So Saga Dawa is the triple blessed festival. It's an auspicious month for the Sikkimese Buddhist. So prayers will be held in the month, the whole month in various monasteries. Let's check the next question. Ustad Aladia Khan belongs to which gharana of Hindustani music? The correct answer is D. Jaipur Gharana. Let's check the next question. Which of the following dance form is also known as the Royal Dance of Ladakh? The correct answer is A. Shondol dance. And this dance created a history. He entered his name in the Guinness Book of World Record as the largest Ladakhi dance. Let's check the next question. Khantam bamboo dance is a famous folk dance of which Indian state? The correct answer is D. Mizoram. Let's check the next question. Karyala is a form of folk drama for which state of India? The correct answer is D. Himachal Pradesh. Let's check the next question. Tripikas are the sacred books of which religion people? The correct answer is C. Buddhist. Let's check the next question. Lokram Festival is celebrated in which of the following Indian state? The correct answer is B. Madhya Pradesh. So Lokram Festival is celebrated in Madhya Pradesh and it is started on 26th January, that is Republic Day. It will be continued till 5 days. And Adivasi Lok Kala Academy is organizing this festival from last 20 years in Ravindra Bhavan Open Air Auditorium. Let's check the next question. Sun Temple is located in which state of India? The correct answer is A. Odisha. Let's check the next question. Jallikattu is associated with which state of India? The correct answer is D. Tamil Nadu. Let's check the next question. Who is the author of Rig Veda? The correct answer is C. Ved Vyas. Let's check the next question. Vishu festival is celebrated in which of the following Indian states? The correct answer is A. Kerala. So Vishu is a Hindu festival, is celebrated in Kerala and it is a harvest festival, we can say harvest festival and the astrological new year of the Malayalis. Let's check the next question. Which of the following is it is not a folk dance, this is a classical. So which of the following is a classical dance of Andhra Pradesh? So the correct answer is D. Kuchipudi. Hope the video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. All the best. Thank you.